Our materials at a very high level are printed in exactly the same way as a filament printer. Any printer which you see currently in stores or commercial or industrial printers, they rely on moving an extruder to a point in 3D space. The only difference between our material and a filament printer is the extruder itself. So by bolting a liquid extruder to an existing commercial or industrial 3D printer, we're able to switch to printing liquids.
Today, our materials can be used on a German RepRap printer, and we're collaborating with Juggerbot 3D to implement the usage of our technology on their printers as well. But fundamentally, an industrial scale FDM printer can be adapted very readily to be able to use our printing technology. Any place in a process where you can take a robotic movement and deposit a material, you can use our 3D printing process.
A lot of robotics, industrial robots, use an arm to place material or to complete an action at a point in 3D space. We can use the same type of robots with a liquid extruder to deposit our materials within the 3D process by a simple modification to an existing industrial robot.